Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to use Monday.com dashboards effectively. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, head straight to the Dashboards section. This is where you'll be able to see a summary of all your projects and tasks. The reason we start here is because the dashboard is the heart of Monday.com. It provides an overview of everything happening in your workspace. Now that we've done that, let's customize your dashboard. Click on the Add Widget button at the top right of your screen. You'll see a list of different widgets you can add to your dashboard. These widgets are powerful tools that can help you visualize your data. They can show things like project progress, team performance, and much more. This step is important because each widget you add allows you to get a more detailed overview of your work. Next up, let's arrange your dashboard. Drag and drop your widgets to place them where you want. You can also resize them to fit your screen. The reason we do this is to make your dashboard easier to navigate. By arranging your widgets in a way that makes sense to you, you'll be able to quickly find the information you need. Once you've arranged your dashboard, it's time to share it with your team. Click on the Share button at the top right of your screen and select the team members you want to share your dashboard with. This helps us because it allows your team to stay in the loop and collaborate more effectively. Let me explain why this matters. A well-organized and shared dashboard not only helps you stay on top of your tasks, but also promotes transparency and collaboration in your team. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you share your dashboard, your team members get a real-time view of what's going on. This means they can see task progress, deadlines, and other important information all in one place. And there you have it. That's how you use Monday.com dashboards effectively. Remember, your dashboard is a powerful tool for managing your projects and your team. Use it wisely, and it will become an essential part of your success. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.